I don't know where to put my hands.
Oh, we don't record this.
Why?
We have a male phono connector and a female. Hello, my name's Carl. Here I am with the Dahua speaker. Here I am with the Dahua speaker. You'll then see the Ajax socket LED go off, which will then also turn off the monitor. So what will happen is that the LED light will go blue, indicating that the socket is off, and the screen will also turn off.
Now that we've gone over a few features for the arm and disarm,
No, we haven't.
Head in the shape.
Boom!
Yeah. That fucking massive rat. Let's see who's taking home some prizes. Hi, I'm Mitchell from Mast, back again for the last stage of our World Cup giveaway with Dahua. This is the last giveaway. Last giveaway. We'll get these T-Ox on their way to you as soon as possible. Your account manager should be in touch to arrange delivery. Until next time, bye. Bye. We will be in touch, or your account manager. I did the same mistake last time. I can't believe it. Standard PTZ go-to for a lot of our customers. Definitely a good prize for anyone who happens to win. Well, a bit. So there you have it, everybody. That is all the winners for all of our prizes for the World Cup competition. That's an end. Oh, what am I talking about?
Yeah, it's a shame we're not paid to do comedy.